PG babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Pretty Isha, and I'm back with another video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit that post notification bell to be notified for new and upcoming videos. As you can tell by this title, it's my baby girl official day, and her request, she wanted Waffle House. So we're here at Waffle House, and yeah, say hi YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
Birthday girl Pooh and her sister Juicy, my babies. Cheese. So yeah, per her request, and yeah, we're gonna go to eat, and I don't know where she wanna go afterwards, but we'll see y'all later on down the line. No, we'll see y'all when we get inside Waffle House, because at this moment, y'all, the line is at the door, honey. And me, y'all should know me, I don't like to wait. I don't know why she picked Waffle House. I don't know why she just didn't pick IHOP. Y'all, this is unedited. This is me as a real mom. Y'all don't hear? Okay.
Because Waffle House is so good. It got so good grits.
Show them your tattoo. Period. So yeah, see you guys when we get inside.
I'm getting some tattoos.
So y'all, we is inside Waffle House. Y'all had to come in the bathroom. Like, that's so packed and it's so hot out there. Like, per the birthday girl request, we're here, and I'm only waiting because this is what she wanted for breakfast. Like, I told her she could have went to IHOP or anything else, but she wants Waffle House. Like, but it's okay, y'all. We about the second person to eat, so it's fine. So I'll talk to y'all guys when we sit down. Okay, guys, so we sitting down. And yeah,
We already ordered our food and now we're waiting for it.
Yep. So yeah, we'll see y'all when we get our food. Okay, y'all, so we just finished eating, and y'all, why I want to pour down right now? Like, I gotta see what's right now. Terrible, but I'll see y'all a little later, because right now I'm tired. I'm full. Y'all full? I'm tired. So I'll see y'all later. Hopefully the rain slow down, because I'm not finna be out in no rain. I hate driving in the rain. So yeah. We got a new bowling alley. They got the special today. Buy 2 games, get the 3rd game free. Today is $5. And then yeah. So let's go in and see how it looks. Pretty. Y'all never been here. This is a new one. It's called AMF Bowl. We got a new bowling alley, y'all. AMF bowling, period.
Well, we're in bowling now. We're about to pay
Yeah,
for
bowling. So I'll see y'all when we sit down. Let me try again. Yours did the same one. You don't want it? You put up the gate bar?
It's okay. Next time, try again.
It's okay. Hi.
No, you want 1 point.
Y'all, this the arcade part of the bowling alley. So we played this already. Yeah. That was it. Y'all look at Little Juice. What's up, babe? Go. Y'all, she don't know how to play this game.